can't watch anymore. But yeah, I can't. I can stay in the chat. I guess it's a fun stream. But all right, what's up, Alfredo?
Yeah.
Alfredo, my man.
Yes.
Let's start doing some programido. Yes.
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 Now
good.
we're going to
Very
program.
Cool.
Yes.
Finally, after how many hours I've been waiting for you, you shit ass.
Oh.
I'm kidding. I love you, man.
Oh, I'm not gay. I'm sorry.
You're sorry? You don't have to be sorry. It's fine.
I'm sad.
You're sad?
No, I'm not actually sad.
Oh, it's sad that you're not sad sometimes, you know.
What?
It's sad that you're not sad sometimes, you know.
Yeah, I'm not normal. I'm not sad.
No, you should be sad, bro.
What?
It's sad that you're not. Yeah, shit like that happen. Go. Should I have the camera on? I think you should have the camera on. Like, why not? Right?
Yeah. Have it, my friend.
But at least kind of gay, right? Also.
No.
Yeah, okay. It's kind of weird that I'm only supposed to, and you're like sitting there in your comfort, like, yeah, fuck you, short. Webcam. You gotta become a webcam streamer, you know.
Yeah.
So we're going to scale this down and put it somewhere normal. Yes. That hides our Twitter though, so that's not that's not too optimal now, is it? That might work. Alright. Pull out the chair. And great. Damn, dude. Alright, start. So, I think today I had like lots of shitty stuff to add, right?
Oh.
Shitty stuff to add for the test version, the prototype, before we start working on the 3D.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Is he even streaming on Twitch right now? Stuff like this annoys me. It should. It is good. It is good. Ah, great. Sick. 3 views. No idea what they are. I don't know if they're even people.
On Twitch.
Yeah, 3 views on Twitch and 1 view on YouTube. I don't know if that's me or someone else.
I'm on YouTube.
You're on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I like seeing you on YouTube too.
What?
What? Didn't say anything.
Okay.
I only said that you have a great smile and I wish you a great day.
Highly doubt that, actually.
Why?
I don't think you said it.
Yeah, I didn't. I said I want to beat your ass. What? Alright, so... So I did add the shooting, like, sort of like gun mechanic. I just did like a quick script. It's like 2 a.m. I was already tired.
Yeah.
Right? And now how it's working is that I'm kind of like making a class that explains like the object of a gun and like the basic stuff you might want to be able to assign upon its creation or like upon the model. So if you have like SMG, that's called MP5. SMG is called a I don't know. Give me another SMG.
I don't know.
Alright, so an MP5 and a PPSH or something, yeah? And we want to have like different stuff, like PPSH maybe has like 24 ammo per magazine. So like ammo in one magazine is 24, and the amount of ammo in general is like the max, the amount of ammo you pick up, so you have no limit really having how many magazines you have. It's more like you have one magazine, you have ammo, and every time you're kind of like refilling it, you're like not showing the refilling parts. So you assign an ammo, and magazine that gets divided upon the ammo and magazine, and every time you shoot, current ammo is decreased, and then when you have to reload, when you're out of current ammo in one magazine, it will do some calculations to decide how much ammo it will add into that magazine and retract from actual ammo. So like, let's say the magazine takes 30 bullets and you have 25 bullets, but you click R anyways. It's going to check how much ammo you have, and if you have like the difference between the amount of ammo you have and the maximum amount of ammo, like 5 in this case, it will add 5 and then decrease 5 from the ammo. So it's like basic, right?
Yeah.
Then you have the fire rate, so you can decide how fast it's shooting. And then you have the recoil, which decides the accuracy of the recoil.
Wow.
And each gun can have different recoils. And there's a time to reload that I still didn't add, but it's there because we're gonna need it at one point. The shoot script, great naming, I know. Perfect naming. Yeah, so shooting shoot is basically just getting the classes. So you have SMG, you have a sniper, you have a throwable, and for now. And if you enable, let's say on this gun, you enable the SMG, it will get the gun like the child. Because it's interesting, you're gonna have like a holder, and then you're gonna have the child. The child is the gun, and that contains the shooting script, not this shooting script, the type of shooting script, and the gun script. And then the parent has the shooting shoot script. And it will get the child, and I'm just gonna add that right now. It'll get the child and see if it has the SMG script, sniper script, and throwable script. And depending on that, it will import it and like assign the bool. And then like you can just switch weapons instantly. And when like if you have a sniper and you switch to SMG, the shooting mechanism will switch to SMG raycasting, and then you switch back to a sniper, it will switch to sniper physical bullets like ballistics. And that should be good enough, but how's it going with the what's it called? What are you working on? The climbing? Parkour?
It's going pretty well actually.
Show me.
So I can show you. So I pushed the old version, and but I remade it right now. So can you see?
Yeah. I'm watching. Oh, it's smooth as well?
Yeah.
Good job. Then just the animations that are left after that.
Yeah, and or I need to add a limit, because right now wait if you can see it. Yeah. First I send a raycast here from, and then oh wait, you can see it. You can look at the script. So I send the raycast, and if it hits, you start climbing here. So I just add 1 times the speed, and this updates in fix update. And then also I have a second array down here, and when this doesn't hit something, then I begin to move forward.
Okay. Alright, I just thought about something. We should have probably had the input of 2 spaces to climb, because then we could have had hanging. But we could still have hanging.
Yeah.
We just need to think of another way in this case.
Yeah. You could just for climbing you want to hold space, and for just hanging you can just press space.
Yeah. Yeah, that could work.
Right now I just need to press space.
But we might need to make our own event system, since Unity is kind of buggy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That I need to add some.
Alright.
But the one before was pretty bad. This works much more.
Yeah, it works pretty well.
So I can show you the last one.
I forgot to change our category. God fucking damn. Alright, that's good enough. Let's go. I'm just start importing stuff. I need to import in this case. I need to start to the side and well, it can't be on the start. I need to check it, like sort of change, like the gun that's currently held in hand. So I can probably trigger something that will, but this is better to add later when we actually have the sort of like weapon system. So maybe I should add the weapon system first, like the actual like choosing a gun and stuff.
Yeah.
Alright. Let me just take this stuff off. The jackets. Wait. Okay. Alright, should we not start prototyping? Yeah, for anyone who doesn't know, currently just working on basic structures so you can get doing stuff properly, you know. You're going to be recreating an entire city from real life, not all of it, but like most, a good part of it, the area, recognizable parts.
What? Yeah. Say it again.
I was telling chat.
Oh, okay.
This video will end up on YouTube in the end as well, so
Yeah.
I should have thought of that before taking a preload. I'm stupid. Tänk om skolan bara ser på det här och bara oh ho ho, big trouble. Nej, jag skämtar, det var väl tandställning jag kliar på.
Nice.
Just. Okay, I'm just having to fix some stuff real quick. I want to have the lights on, but I'm not visible without the light on. Alright, let me just get back. So, draw a plan.
My plan.
Let's draw a plan.
The jar plan.
Let's draw a plan.
Ah.
So like you mess up. Remember I do that?
Yeah.
Alright, so I want to add the sort of like gun thing first. The gun holding them, you know what I mean, like the inventor. Do we have it? Did we make anything about it?
Inventor?
No, about the guns you carry and how many and stuff like that.
Oh,
We did it.
I think. I don't know if you wrote it. You asked me.
Yeah, you thought about it. We just didn't write it. Because if you check, we even wrote about like having an extra player effect, where like the player's drunk, but we didn't write about we didn't write about like the most basic thing out there.
Oh.
Literally, extra player effects: alcohol. Drink 3 beers and you become tipsy and a bit dizzy. Drink 5 and you can barely walk. And we just didn't. We added this silly piece of thing, and we forgot to add that how we want the selection of weapons to work. Honestly, I hate you.
Me? Sorry.
No, me. I'm talking to myself in third person, of course. What else, you know? Alright, so let's think of that right now, actually. I'm just add it to the Trello first, actually. That would be better. So I'm just gonna add it to the UI parts, and then I can import the mechanics later. So
sure.
Let's think. So how I was imagining it is, I can show you actually. Let me just do the normal programming thing and open up Paint. Alright, I'll just share my screen because the stream, I'll share my screen because the stream is delayed, right? So there's a small delay.
Yeah, sure.
Here, look at my screen. So how I'm imagining the UI for this is going to be. One second, let me just move this so I can see my screen. There you go. Alright, so let's say the player is on this side, right? Because we're gonna have like a bit of an action one, but like a bit more long distance. So let's say the player's here, blah blah blah, and their environment and shit like that. Yeah, shit like that, right?
Yeah.
On this side, we'll have the main weapon and the other secondary weapon. And then right next to it, we can have in smaller the grenade. And then, actually, we could have it like this, but I still want to have some sort of like scroll. I want to have some sort of wheel. It would be fun to have a wheel. Should we have?
Yeah.
Should the bag be wheel, or should we have a wheel that's controlled for one thing only, or how do you think?
You mean like you mean like GTA?
Like in GTA?
Yeah.
A little bit, maybe. Well, here's the thing. I'm thinking I want the person to be able to like scroll, and it'll switch the weapon.
Oh, we could have a. Do you mean like you had a wheel down at the bottom, where you can see? Instead of having squares, you have like pizza slices in a.
But that
circle.
would be a bit weird, or?
I don't know.
Would if you have just like two rectangles with like this being the one in use currently, and this one being the one not in use, you just like scroll and it will switch places.
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
but,
that's better actually.
Yeah, I can imagine it would look better, and we could have it like it only shows up when you actually scroll. So if you're not scrolling, it wouldn't show up.
Yeah.
So when you scroll, it would like show up and move the weapon. But the issue with that is that, let's say you have bottles, right? So let's say you want to like have, because we're gonna have bottles and stuff, right?
Bottles.
Yeah, we can like throw bottles to take away the attention and stuff like that.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, the zombies are gonna be reacting to sound and light.
Yeah.
So, let's say you're stuck somewhere and there's a lot of zombies, you can just throw a bottle and it'll all go to it. What do you think?
Yeah, that sounds pretty.
Yeah, but how will we have the UI for it? Well, we can't have it down there. It wouldn't look as good.
What if we can have? What if we have like a box, a use box? You know, so extra items. So we have the main weapons, and then we have 3 boxes, or plus the grenades.
Okay, so 4 boxes.
Or we can have like 3 boxes that can be used.
What?
So you can equip things from inventory in 1 box, and the 2 bigger boxes are for the weapons, you know.
Oh, okay.
Then we can have icons for the grenades, but then we can press a button to throw them. But if we want to throw the items, we have to hold it, like the bottle.
Well, in all cases, we're gonna be holding the object.
Yeah.
What I'm thinking of more is, should we like, let's say your idea is actually good, but I like it, but the UI part, will we have like a bag? It's like rectangular. Will we have like a wheel which like open up and start dragging stuff, choosing stuff, or like will we have the food and like the stuff you can build plus the weapons in one inventory, or will we like separate the throwables from like the actual bag?
Oh. I think we should have everything in one place, in one inventory, you know. Then you can pick what you want in your use box, in your hotbar, you can say.
You could probably have one inventory just divided UI-wise, yeah.
Do you mean that we should categorize items in the inventory?
Either that, or have like the main weapons always equipped. And if you want to change weapons, you have to like leave the weapon and get the other one.
Yeah, that's my idea too.
Yeah, but then like if you have stuff to throw, I'm kind of thinking we could have a wheel like the one I made before in the other prototype.
I see.
So like you open up the wheel and then you can select if you want to like use the bottle or the, I don't know. Yeah. Your idea might be better because let's say we want to add crafting like Molotov and stuff.
Yeah.
Your inventory would be better then.
Or should you have a big hotbar like in Rust or Minecraft?
No.
Because my idea is like that, but just one slot.
So one bar with multiple slots?
My idea was one slot, just one, besides the weapons. So if you pick up a weapon, they automatically go to the weapon slots. And then you have inventory with your stuff. And then you can equip in the use slot.
That's kind of what I'm thinking of, yeah. That's what I want, yeah. So I want to.
That's kind of different from like other games as well.
Can you maybe like explain that in a better way in like Trello so I can understand it a bit better?
Like wait, can you take up your painting that you made? Because I visualized it like this. So the big rectangles are the weapon slots.
Yeah.
And you made a smaller rectangle beside it. And that could be the use box. So that you can choose what's inside that one from your items.
Yeah, so this is from what you have equipped on you, like weapons.
Yeah.
And this would be like you open up an inventory and a box comes up and it has smaller items and you like drag it. You select one and you drag it or something. You like drag it down and I don't know. You just double click it and now it's equipped or something. Yeah. That'd be better.
But I like your idea too. So you can choose just the items you can equip, like with the round thing.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking. Yeah. But your idea seems a bit more fun. Like in you know, it's more unique.
Yeah. But I think yours is better for gameplay.
Could be, but then we would have a limited amount of items you can choose from. Well, not really. We could make it modular, so like, depending on how many items you've picked up and differentiate them, we can add more discs, but I'm not sure.
Because some items you can't equip. I mean, like a t-shirt. It's what are you going to do with that in your hands? You know?
You throw a t-shirt.
You know? What?
You throw a t-shirt.
Should I make everything throwable? every item, you can throw it on people and zombies.
Well, it's a fun idea. What could be the advantage of having that?
Realism.
Yeah, but let's say you throw a t-shirt at a zombie, what would the zombie do?
If you throw it at that face, yeah, the zombie is blind, you know.
Yeah.
Becomes blind.
I don't know.
Devices were sold on Vice. Now I slide through like gold on ice. She's so my type, so I strobe my lights. Got a number and a call last night. All my life been controlled by pride, but I formed mine twice and the door's quite right. When she crossed my sights, till I fold my bite. Hey.
Trying to figure out, I'm thinking. How would mine be? Well, mine would be faster for gameplay, sure. Because they can just like open up a wheel and select the object and it's equipped, right?
Yeah.
But actually it would be better because then you can have like slow motion effects when you're selecting an item, but when you're opening up your bag, there's no slow motion.
Yeah.
So like, let's say you want to equip a bottle, and you have a grenade in your hand. You open up the wheel, and the wheel like slows down time, right? And then you can select the bottle, and done. Now time is back to speed.
But how would that work in like multiplayer?
Ah, good idea. Good thought. Good question. That's good, by the way. Keep it like that, because then we can have like wall, like running up walls and stuff. That's good. Keep it. Because you can do that. Running up like the wall and not be able to jump into the window. That's a good thing to have.
To not to be able to.
No, to be able to. Keep it.
Oh. Yeah. It will work if we don't have. I want to try. If you do it like this.
Because then we can make it so like maybe you have like one place where like a small edge or like a balcony with like a broken barricade, so you can like jump up that, you know?
Yeah.
Can you try something?
What?
Can you jump from like this wall and go to the left wall?
Oh. Do you mean jump from walls?
No, let's say you run up wall straight.
Yeah.
You run up this wall and then you jump onto the wall to your left, for example, and you get up that.
Here and then this.
No, what?
Do you mean like this? I here and then jump there? Or do you mean I run up here and jump to this side?
Put the block right next to it.
So?
Yeah, but move it like on the z-axis negative. Z-axis, blue one negative. Backwards. Or that way, yeah, that works.
And then I run here and then I go there.
Yeah, but like on the correct height, of course. So bring the height down. That's not the correct height, or? Is that the correct height?
Look, I need to make a limit because, you see.
You can jump up the entire skyscraper? Yeah, that's bad. No, but if you have like one block tall, so like instead of having 2 blocks on the right side on this one, just have 1 block.
So I remove this one.
Yeah, and bring that one up. So it's like correct.
You mean like this?
Yeah, so now if you jump up to the one on the left, can you like jump from there onto the one to the right? No, the one on the left. And jump
here.
jump up here and then go to the right. Can you do that? With the limit?
I don't know. We can. We don't have a limit yet. So
Well,
right now
theoretically, would you be able to?
it's on how big the limit is.
But you can rotate mid in the jump, right?
Yeah. So if I
Yeah, we'll see. We'll figure it out. Alright. I'll see what we can do.
but the inventory or so it would be cool if you can throw everything.
Yeah, but like, you could drop everything, but like throwing them. How would we throw a t-shirt?
I mean, you could do.
It would be fun, but like, actually, it would be fun for like multiplayer. But like, would that be any help for like the zombies or like the enemies?
I don't know. I mean, it wouldn't be that hard to implement, but
No, I know.
I don't know.
How would it affect the enemies?
That I don't know. Actually. Do you mean that you want a mechanic that so throwing items is like a mechanic? We can use it. I mean, are you here?
Yeah.
I mean, throwing bottles will make the zombies go to the
Sound, yeah.
Why can't we just have it on every item?
Does a t-shirt make a sound?
I don't know.
It's a class. How would it make sound?
Yeah. I guess.
Actually, it would be fun to have, just because like it's useless. Like if you're with your friends, you can just like throw it at a friend, and that's funny.
Yeah.
But like if you're with zombies and you accidentally choose the shirt instead of the bottle, you threw a shirt at a zombie, and you die.
Yeah.
It's pretty funny. Like, oh shit, I chose the shirt, and like you get eaten up by zombies.
Yeah. I mean, why not have it?
Why not? Exactly, because why not? Right?
Why not?
Why not? We can, why not? I have no reason to have it, but I have no reason to not have it, so. Alright. So we're gonna have 2 boxes in the UI on the bottom. A box for equipment. These are weapon 1 and weapon 2, and then we're gonna have the throwable item and that's just serval item 1, for example. And these are controlled by scroll wheel, and they're separate from your inventory. Separate inventory. All right.
Or maybe should you have like a quick? So if you go into your item, you can choose which items you want in your quick menu, and then the quick menu you can choose what you want in your use item, use slot. So if you want your bottles, your grenades, or
Yeah, but then that would get rid of the funny thing we just thought of.
yeah, but you can also take cloth or
Yeah, but you won't
in your
take
quick
cloth
menu.
in your quick menu if you don't want to die.
I guess, but when in a but we can have like 5 items, then you can have one funny game. And I mean, it isn't like hard to change the item in the quick menu. So if it's a stable situation.
Yeah. Well, that was the idea I gave first, with like with the wheel.
Ah. Yeah.
But the difference was that you would already have the items in the wheel, and you couldn't throw
Yeah.
anything. You could only throw a certain amount of items.
Right.
And we'll keep it in our... Oh, jeez. Thing is, if we add the quick menu, it would be fun to have a slow motion effect, but you can't have that if you're in online. We could disable it online, but that wouldn't be fun as well, because then, like, same thing.
But can you repeat? What did you say?
We could make it so it only works on single player and not multiplayer, but that wouldn't be fun either.
The throwing.
No, the slow motion.
Yeah, yeah. But I mean, could you have the slow motion online?
What?
Could you have the slow motion online?
No, that's why I said we can only have the single player,
Oh,
so we'd have to
okay,
disable
yeah.
it for online.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. We'll just stick with your idea, the first one.
Sure.
Okay, so 2 weapons controlled by scroll wheel are different to the inventories. This one's connected to a main inventory that pops up on this side. I'm kind of trying to figure this out. The thing is, so items in the bag, and you have the limit for items in the bag. You can already build that up. So depending.
I need to go to it. So.
Bag. Oh, okay.
I'm just going to test if this works. Oh. Oh shit. Fuck. Oh. It was the wrong. So I made a limit right now.
Yeah.
Why? Oh my god. 35. Oh shit. Fuck, I really need to go to it.
Alright.
But,
Just go eat quick and you can fix it when you're back.
yeah, but I really want to fix it right now.
Sounds about right.
Okay, now, so. Look, so, the limit is about to the half of the second block.
Can
Nice,
you
yeah.
limit it? Okay, we come back, that's it.
Yeah. Right back.
Alright. The thing being that I could make the UI now and just make it set up to work properly for the most part, and it would basically work all together, and I could keep it for the actual game. I can make it properly now, so like it's actually ready for the actual game. It's when we add the 3D stuff, I like the polished scripts and stuff. I can make it fully object oriented. It's like I'm getting children, like the child of the player that has like stuff on it. And that would be better, you know? That would be better in general. A second ago there were 3 people watching for some reason, but go from there. Let's see what will happen. Let's see. Yeah. So what I can have is I can have a object-oriented approach where I have the bag with the player, and the bag of the player would have something. Because let's say I have a player right now, and the player already has a script on it and it has objects. The object, one of them will be a bag. This bag will contain info about the limit of objects in the bag, and it will have a no, cool. Okay. So what more do we need? We need that. Then we need weight, because weight could be, but could the player get get the weight from there, then yes, they can. They can do the mathematics. That would be actually even better. So you can get the weight as well, and it's based on the items weight. I'll add plus plus to say that's sum of them, the sum of these items weight, and I'll have the weapons as well. So I have 2 weapons on. Weapon 1, weapon 2, and they already have a gun script. And they already have one. I can just add some more stuff to it now. I can add weight. That's like all I technically need for it, really. Because I already have the ammo and the recoil and stuff like that. So I just need weight added, and also add ETC. Yeah. And same thing with this one, gun with the weight and ETC. And then I'll add on each one a maybe enabled, and then I can decide if they're enabled or not. But scroll wheel would have to go between them and check which one is already in. But then it's gonna have to choose already, and it's gonna have to be random to a certain extent. So they can be spawned in as files both, and then I can select the first one. I can just put them to arrays like the first one. The first one is like, that one's true. And when you scroll, I just make the other one false. But the thing is that when you get rid of the first one, and the first one is activated, it's better to have this taken care of the player instead of the guns, because the guns will be switchable and the script will be interchangeable. It doesn't all have the same values or like similar classes for the most part. So if we right now would if I could have the player contain the object with the tag gun that's currently childs of the player object, then we can, based on that, we can choose them in order, and the one that is on is the one that stays on. And in case if you're holding something and you switch it, then that one just replaces this one and it's still in the same coordination. So I guess I have weapon 1, weapon 2, and we pick it up, then this one becomes weapons 1. But oh shit, I forgot about that part. When you pick up a weapon, which weapon is it changing? The weapon you're holding right now. I can't decide. I honestly can't decide.
Hello?
Hello. So my current plan works like this. I'll have the player will have a bag object on it, and the bag object will have a script that defines the bag with like the limit of the objects and the weight is equal to the children of the bag. Well, the children of the... Why would there... Oh, gee. Well, children of the bag, and the children of the bag will all have their like sort of item script, and the item script defines their weight, and the weight of the bag is equal to the item script. All the weights that are children of the bag, the sum of them, plus maybe like a little bit for the bag, and that's the weight of the bag, and then that will define the player's speed, and it will have the same thing for the weapons, which like I'll just add to the weapon script right now, the gun script. I'll add the weights, and then like the weights are added together and just add to the player. We'll do some mathematics like decrease the speed and stuff like that. But what I can't think of properly is you're holding a weapon right now, right?
No.
And you switch
Oh.
to the other weapon.
Huh? Yeah.
How? I need a boolean.
Yeah. No, you can have a
Integer.
Yeah.
But then I would also need so that when I'm holding this integer and I pick up another weapon, I need to drop this weapon at that integer and replace it with another one. But that would mean I would need some sort of like parent that's always static. Like it's always there. A array? No, a list. Again, array could work. Of guns, and it's equal to 2 as the limit. And depending on the index that's currently active, you replace that. So a list, let's say this.
Wait, what? How you're going to switch the items or the guns?
So I'm thinking of maybe is on the player instead, because I don't want to have it on the guns, because the guns get switched, right? So the script changes, and that wouldn't work. So if I have on the player a list of game objects, and the maximum is equal to 2 slots, 1 and 2, and the integer is equal to which one of those indexes is correct. So you have 0 and 1. And if the int is 0, then it's the game object 0 that's currently held, and if it's 1, then it's game object 1 that's currently held.
Yeah.
Where would we store the other weapon? Because we said 2 main weapons is possible. Where would we hold it animation wise?
On the back. Or what do you mean?
And the bag.
Animation. Yeah.
And the bag, where do we have it? Also on the back.
Wait, what do you mean? Where should we store it? Do you mean the model or the...
Well, the models I can figure out the scripting.
Yeah. So what do you mean? I don't really get you.
Right. List game object 0 and 1. If int is 0 and this one is selected and is currently in hand, where do I store the model? That's my question.
We can have it like a prefab and instantiate it.
No, but instantiation, first of all, optimize. Second of all, a queue would work. That would be even better solution, but no. I'm thinking more animation wise. Where would we like send the object? To the back?
Yeah, I guess. Or what? Wait, you have 2 slots.
Yeah.
So you can just. What do you mean with store?
Where the animation? Where's the gun? Where are you holding it? The other one.
Ah, okay. So you mean the model? Okay. I think you can have it like on the back, on the backpack, like on the side, or like so. Oh shit!
Sticking out the back.
Backpack. So it's hiking. So you have like some sort of this bag, and you only have your weapon like that. Or if you have,
Wait, yeah, we already said that like 10 times.
Yeah.
Alright, in this case, I have 2 positions and I'll just switch the guns.
Oh.
Alright, change weapon and...
You already fucking know, bitch. Ayy! Got all this paper, I don't go to class. Sure they look good with that double stuffed ass. Shoe made a gator, so I'll see you later. Your boy made the fatal, all your shit is trash. She only a 5 in her face, so her head get a bag and my tongue don't get waste. Give me a time and a place and I'm pulling up fast cause my tongue like the taste. Ooh, how do you do that? Keep my shit wavy like do-rags. Make me your ex man like you, Jack. I can't be your boo, I'm a douchebag. Got so much drip, you kids might need a hoodie. Said I'm out here buzzing, but I got a woody. I've been in the field, but I feel like a rookie. And I eat that pussy like Nick's favorite cookie. Fuck these bitches, I'm fucking all these hoes. Eating pussy like it's Oreos. You already know, you already know, fuck these bitches, I'm fucking all these hoes. Eating pussy like it's Oreos. You already know, you already know, ayy, pull up in a row, ayy, think this shit is getting fishy, run me roll, water how I flow, ayy, coke all in my nose, ayy, stack it quick, I'm getting
Turn off the camera.
do-si-do, bitch, what do you mean, I can't see your titty, and I'm whipping out my penis, city, and I'm rocking Nike, but the fit is looking shitty, and I can't hit that bitch, cause I just been so busy, she grab on my dick and said, this little bitch, is hard to play, that's how you try to bully, she told me to kill her, tattoo a Billy, I want my kiss from a bitch, hot as chili, you already know though, why all these motherfuckers want a photo, kiss my homies on the mouth, I'm a homo, pulling up by style, feel like Frozone, I've been bagging all these bitches like a Frodo, catch me whipping out my dick like a yo-yo, and her man is a bum, he a hobo, Matrix in the whip gon' slow-mo, whoa yo, oh no. Fuck these bitches, I'm fucking all these hoes, eating pussy like it's Oreos, you already know, you already know, fuck these bitches, I'm fucking all these hoes, eating pussy like it's Oreos, you already know,
Alright. Yeah, this works out, I guess. So does the player script decide the speed and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or the walk speed is the default. Yeah. Yeah. So the walk speed is the default walk speed.
Yeah, but the run speed is just multiplier.
Yeah, but you have also a multiplier, and that the multiplier multiplies the speed in the movement script.
Yeah, so if I lower down the walk speed, the multiplier will only give me a lower value, right?
Yeah, when you walk.
Yeah, yeah, sounds about right. That's what I want.
But I need the indices.
I'm watching Jessica's streaming as well, game development stream, because there was something about fixing the jogging animation.
Okay, so F is the next frame,
Oh.
and F+1 always.
She made her own engine in C++ and she's making this a real game in it, so that's impressive.
Yeah.
But I still love this Google Maps image.
Yeah. It looks fucking so fucking cool. It would be so fucking cool to have a map like that.
We will.
Yes, of course we will.
I'm serious, it's all we need is like a camera, and then we could have a shader on the camera, so like we change a bit how it looks.
Something weird about it, but it still looks weird when they're actually running. Just stand. Okay, so this should be really slow. Okay, good. Alright, check this out. So now, math mix from keyframe movement perk F. Oops. Oh, this is gonna be so sick if it works. Mix this to this, the next one. PPP. That's it.
When you're so good, you don't need to use a compile like IDE. You just need to use a text editor. That's
Alright, one other feature.
that's level when I come to.
Move mid. Lord. What did I call this variable? keyframe movement curve. That's what I called it. Keyframe.
Wait, can I add some stuff to your player script?
Absolutely.
What am I missing?
Thanks, man.
Forgot the N.
So using a
Still compiling.
yeah, you're getting the walk speed and you're setting walk speed equal to value, and the value is what you're getting from there.
Think about how painful it would be to work on this code right now.
The value is what you set walk speed with
Okay,
big W.
now we can change
Value of
this.
this,
Yeah.
but this walk speed is.
So you return, you return that walk speed, but
Yeah, why did I call it KF?
you set that
Why?
Stupid. Dumb.
because use getters and setters.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm gonna dump this and read that.
Question is,
know.
can I adjust the speed in
Where
real
I
time?
added some bad data.
Yeah.
So this
Oh,
only
why
runs
did
when
I
you first
forget
start
to
the
say
game, right?
Wait, how do you mean? If you want to change the walk speed, it's in game.
Yeah.
Also, the walk speed with capital W just works just like it's like the normal walk speed. It's only that if you want to, if you don't want to add if you want to add more into the value, the setters, you can add code on. So you don't need to write more.
Come on.
So you don't need to write if
Studio.
somewhere else in the code, you know?
It's still linking. Okay.
You're losing it.
God.
You're losing it.
Yeah, my English is so bad.
Say it in Swedish.
Ja men om, till exempel om du inte vill att den ska bli setad till 10 000, då kan du skriva if value over 10,000 or
Var skriver jag det?
i set.
I set. Och i set kan jag hämta mer objekter också?
That.
Va?
Look.
I set.
Ja, det står i walk speed equals value. Så då kan du ta bort den där och så skriver du if value is lower than 10,000 walk speed equals value. Else walk speed equals 3.
Okay.
So it's like
Okay, I think I get what you mean.
yeah. Jag hade aldrig använt innan så jag vill bara testa.
I haven't used them in Unity, no, I've used them in software stuff, just not in Unity. And it's been a while. I've been working with the editor too much. Entirely different coding. I don't even have update in the editor. We have like on GUI and on enabled and draw GUI.
Yeah.
On GUI doesn't work. It works like an update, but it doesn't work all the time. It only works when you're when the what's it called again? When you're actually on the editor window. If you go into the scene, it stops working. So if you want to edit the scene, you literally have to create a new function inside the Unity's scene script. Alright, let me get back to this then. I want to get the children. Well, that sounds wrong. So get component in children is a method we can use, and yeah, this would work. Yeah.
Oh. Wakanda, whatever.
Yeah, my knees is hurt, cause I can't stand you bitches. I see right through you hoes. I got that
tunnel vision. I bought a brand new rug, it cost me 5 whole digits. I spilled 2 pints and threw it out all good. I sell it, I don't sip it. Can't remember last time I was dressed like oh no no. I hit a Y2K, I don't fuck with my plug no more. Yo, run like Windows 95, your hard as Microsoft. And no, I won't buy you a Rollie, girl, you take me off. I'm more like, listen girl, my brain is small as fuck, but I got a lot of bread. My pocket's really down. I'm more like, listen girl, I'm
Ah.
trying to fuck. I don't wanna play these games, I just wanna go dumb, 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 dumb. I'm just trying to go so stupid, I don't need the convolution. I wanna go dumb, dumb. It's not that deep, I do not need this damn confusion. Yeah, I said what's up, my name is Bayroll. I was broke, ain't had no cable, now she dancing for my payroll. Come on stage, grab my ankle, love her body and her angles. 2-door shawty, strapping the party, shorty I'm sorry. Cause I cannot fold on my brother, bitch. These days and these hoes on some other shit. Can't cover cause I got another bitch. Can't fuck it till I got a rubber bitch. But that was my brother, but then he gon' switch for a bitch. And she call me dumb, so she give me brain and now I feel smart as shit. I'm more like, listen girl, my brain is small as fuck, but I got a lot of bread. My pocket's really dumb. I'm more like, listen girl, I'm really trying to fuck. I don't wanna play these games, I just wanna go dumb, 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 dumb. I'm just trying to go so stupid, I don't need the convolution. I wanna go dumb, dumb. It's not that deep, I do not need this damn confusion. I'm confused, what you want me to do? Bitch, don't tell me that you love me, we both know that isn't true. You say I got all these hoes, but I know you got others too. Yeah, I'll be right here on my own until you come tell me the truth. Conversations in my head, thinking about what I should've said. And I know you're still around, but old girl took me a day. And I know you sit at night when you're alone and you're in your bed, thinking about just what we could've been. I don't wanna play these games, I just wanna go dumb, 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 dumb.
Oh.
Okay, so yeah. Right, question is if we don't have any guns. What's more fun, working 3D or working 2D?
They're pretty different, so I don't know which one is more fun. Because 2D is more like mechanics, or
Yeah.
or it's more code. Here you have to, or they're different code, you know. Here's to find the right movement. In 2D it's pretty easy. Just walk around.
You need to think more
Yeah.
about how it would affect the view visuals. By the way, change the jumping height from 2 floors to like 1.5 floor. No, sorry, when you're climbing.
What?
When you're climbing.
This is climb. Yeah.
1 floor is good. 1.5 floors and like 40% is good. But like 2 floors is too much.
Yeah, I know. You can't climb too.
No, okay, good. I thought you. Well, you kinda can.
I mean, I have to work on it a bit more. Because it's kind of buggy.
Yeah. It's gonna be even harder than when we have physical animations.
Physical animation.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get
What's that?
Well, to make the animations interact with the world, you can't just climb and have a normal animation. The hands need to get stuck onto the correct edge.
Ah.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Never done that before, by the way. We wanted to, but we couldn't because Unity. But now they made it easier.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's easier now. They have a, I don't think it's finished. They have a new animation system that makes it easier. While you're stuck.
I think I want to climb when you jump, but I think that the y velocity is too negative, so the speed gets so low when you climb, you know.
Yeah, well, the speed getting a bit low is not a big issue. Really slow is an issue.
Yeah, like before.
Maybe check the running velocity before allowing a jump like that. A climb.
Ah, because what do you think? Do you think you can reach with your hands and bump that? You can make it slower.
Even if you could, you're gonna have to carry yourself up, and the bags and the weapons wouldn't work. So maybe check for the speed.
Ah, I guess.
Then we can make it so
Why
if
is
the
that?
speed is less than the required one, you can just hang and then pull yourself up.
Can you repeat?
Because then we can make it, if you don't reach the correct speed, you can just hang and then you can pull yourself up back to your space again.
So you mean if you don't jump, you hang, and then you have to jump again
If you
to...
don't run, you hang. If you don't run fast enough, you hang.
Okay.
If you run
Yeah,
fast
so
enough,
if I do this, you will hang, and then you press...
space again,
one
you
more
get up.
time.
Yeah.
Ah, that's cool. That's cool. I like that. I like that.
Six shot. Okay, Yeah, I barely written like 4 lines so far. I'm trying to think because this has to work in every way before I get working. So I'm planning.
That's smart.
Yeah, I can't just start coding and like this won't work. I have to rewrite it. So amount of times that has happened.
Why? Oh.
Okay, so I get the guns they're currently holding. If not holding any guns, nothing gets chosen. When you pick up something and maybe we can check for a tag that's a gun, then I can call the function called get guns on player, and that would do it. And then gun on hand would still be equal to whatever it was equal to before. And W position 1, W position 2, wait, where's that page? When you scroll, I'll say if it's equal to 0, then and you scroll, then it's equal to 1. If it's equal to 1, then it's equal to 0. Wait, the scroll, I think I had a different one. Let me just double check the documentation.
Okay.
What?
I just talked to myself.
Oh. My man. My man.
My man? What?
No, you are.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Yes, maybe what?
What are you
What?
saying, bro? My god.
No idea. Didn't say it. So, if I would get the scroll data, I could probably just work from there, to be honest. Okay. Trying to think. Not good at that. Yeah. Oh, we have 2 viewers on YouTube. That's cool. I don't know who they are. They exist. I don't know if they're even talking in the chat, but if they are... Oh, Robin! Yeah, my voice will always sound weird to you on stream, Robin. You know? It always will. I see you now, I don't know why. It's because you're retarded or something. I'm sorry. You might be retarded. You might not be. You know, stuff like that. Usual. Yeah, I'm tipping. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's called my keyboard. I type very loudly because I'm a loud guy, you know. Make a lot of noise. But like your mother. What?
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit. It sounds hollow. Yeah, I don't know why, man. I usually have a warmer voice, yeah. I don't know. Discord has a lot of... I've heard it. I see the differences. I think it's more Discord that usually crumps the audio, you know? To give it a different, like, better quality or something like that. Even worse quality, maybe, I'm not sure. But that's something to the audio. Robin just texted me like twice on 2 different places. Check chat on YouTube. Check chat on YouTube. Your voice and Rumi. Who's Rumi? I don't know who Rumi is, but you know, whatever. Now here's what I need to get this goal data when it's increasing. Thing is, I can get, well, shit. I could get the axis. There's a mouse scroll wheel, I'm pretty sure. Or? Let's probably use get axes, yeah. Let me check the chat again. Yeah, it sounds like my voice is surround or something. Really? Yeah, you want me to do ASMR now, Robin? Want me to do ASMR now? I can do ASMR now. You know, I don't mind doing some ASMR for you. Just have to say yes.
I mind though.
You don't mind, you like it.
No, I mind.
You mind?
Yeah.
Damn. Without me.
You could do.
Robin just writes multiple dots like. Yeah, it would be more fun when these streams like get more people. Like this, like imagine having like a shit ton of people and they're all like spamming you and stuff. You people talking in the background as well? That's bad. I don't know. Stream viewers, yeah, but they're not all talking for some reason. So.
I'm on the stream right now.
Oh, could be why. And maybe because I'm on the stream as well. So it's just me, Robin, and him. But I don't know if I count. I shouldn't count because I'm just the owner. So. Yeah, I'm not sure if you hear the background still, but yeah. The Twitch stream is just dead, though. The Twitch stream is completely dead.
Okay.
Oh, already exists mouse scroll wheel. Yeah, good. Just copy it down. He said, yeah, more people is better in the chat. If you are alone, it's really boring and you don't know what to talk about. And if you don't talk, then people will stay. When I stream, I always have friends with me so I can talk constantly. You know, I have Alfred with me, but it's not because I want someone to talk to on the stream. It's because it's Alfred, you know, he's fun. And he programs well, so I want to do project with him. Different.
It's hard to talk and concentrate at the same time.
Yeah.
At least for me.
Well, we don't talk so much, right? We just work. No,
Yeah.
we talk when we need to talk. I could say, well, when it's going upwards, then I can just say, what's it called? Gun in hand. That's a ternary operator. If it's equal to 0, then plus, right? Yeah, I can just say, gun in hand, plus, otherwise, gun in hand, minus. Yeah, that should be good enough. I can just add a or. What? Oh yeah, shit. This one. Yeah, but I agree, Robin, for the most part. Alright, and when you adjust that, I would say get guns on player as see. You're not always right. I'm always right. Except for the times I'm wrong. Yeah.
Congratulations, you won.
I just had the worst day of my motherfucking life. I'm trying to
You said that few.
I can't do nothing right, so
Guys, legendary.
break down. About to lose my fucking mind if I can make it through the
Not today, Robin. I'm kind of busy right now, but some other day you can.
Why can't I get out of my bed? I can't get out of my head. Got blacked out, maxed out my credit card. Why can't I get out of my dead? Chasing it feel good, feel real good.
Oh yeah, I need to fix the shooting as well. It's shooting way too many bullets per second. The fire rate's not working. Let's see how I can fix that. Let's go on player and let's say I start now. I have one gun on the player. It should get the script. What did you do to the player rotation? Oh wait, yeah, shit, I forgot. There we go. Yeah. But it's laggy. Is it the frames? The frames are 100. It shouldn't be this laggy. What's this question? I've always wanted to use Restream, just that usually it costs a lot. For some reason, this time it didn't. So there we go. Got the gun, but gun in hand is not changing.
Life, trying to act like nothing wrong, but I can't do nothing right, so I'm about to break down, about to lose my fucking mind. If I can make it through the day, they said tomorrow I'll be fine. Yeah, this shit gonna be okay. This shit gonna be okay. This shit gonna be
It's not the frame. Well, yeah, no, not really. These are really high poly, and they have no LEDs. That's fine. You can see these stats. It's about about 1 million polygons. Because these models, they're for my blockout for urban China. Remember? So they're not optimized at all. So the objects are like over 1 million polygons.
I'm just going to type.
Okay. The frames are still pretty low though. What's bad optimized? The scripts or this? Any script that's bad optimized, I blame it on the Alfred, okay? Just so you know, it's not me. Yeah.
I don't wanna play these games, I just wanna go dumb, 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 dumb. I'm just trying to go so stupid, I don't need the convolution. I wanna go dumb.
Yeah, I guess. You remember everything.
I do not need this damn confusion. Yeah, I said what's up, my name is Bayroll. I was broke, ain't had no cable, now she dancing for my payroll. Come on stage, grab my ankle, love her body and her angles. Two-door shawty, strapping the party, shawty, I'm sorry. Cause I cannot fold on my brother, bitch. These days and these hoes on some other shit. Can't cuff her cause I got another bitch. Can't fuck her till I got a rubber bitch. But that was my brother, but then you gon' switch for a bitch. And she call me dumb, so she give me brain, and now I feel smart as shit. I'm all like
like, listen girl, my brain is small as fuck, but I got a lot of bread, my pocket's really done. I'm all like, listen girl, I'm really trying to fuck. I don't wanna play these games, I just wanna go dumb, dumb, dumb. I'm just trying to go so stupid, I don't need the convolution. I wanna go dumb, it's not that deep, I do not need this damn confusion. I'm confused, what you want me to do? Bitch, don't tell me that you love me, we both know that isn't true. You say I got all these hoes, but I know you got others too. Yeah, I'll be right here on my own until you come tell me the truth. Conversations in my head, think about what I should've said. And I know you're still around, but old girl took me a day. And I know you said at night, when you're alone and you're in your bed, thinking about just what we could've been. I don't wanna play these games, I just wanna go dumb, dumb. I'm just tryna go so stupid, I don't need the convolution. I wanna
I forgot about YouTube copyright. Shit. I don't get the copyright is this strict. Like, for God's sake, I'm not saying I own the song. I just have it on a fucking stream when I'm talking. Everyone with a reasonable brain knows that they make it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Kind of annoying. This music is better anyways. Alright, man. Bye-bye. No, I didn't. See? I didn't. Yeah. So I have 2 likes for me, not 3. I don't know where the third one is coming from. I can refresh. No, I have 2 likes. I don't see a third one. I have 2 people watching. I'm counting you and Alfred, I guess. So 1 person. But I don't know if that person is also me. I don't know if YouTube counts me as well. It might. But now I'm trying to figure something out. When I invoke SMG Ray, I'm invoking it by a couple, like by this fire rate. This delay. But the thing is, I need to keep invoking it by this fire rate. I can't have it invoke once and shoot. I have to keep invoking it. No? Not sure. Just invoke repeating. Oh, that's interesting. I've never heard of that. Invoke repeating. How does that work? A time and a repeat rate. Yeah, so I could have like invoke repeating of SMG Ray. A time of 0.5 and a fire rate of gun blast of fire rate. Maybe 1 second, and I can just get through this. This seems a lot better. So the thing is, this just keeps on going, and that's incorrect. Should be working like that. I should probably keep an eye on my Twitch chat as well. Yeah, kinda can't. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy followers, man. I'm not an idiot. You're talking with a programmer, dude. This won't work. And that link you sent, a shortened link. Honestly, dude. Wrong stream for that.
Hola, amigo.
Hola.
Hola. Hola. Who is Ola? Ola Rasmussen.
Hola,
Magdola.
my civics teacher, Samuel.
What?
Hola, my civics teacher, Samuel.
Ah. Yeah, we're not going to have Stefan in
Program?
game. No. We're going to have Henrik.
No, it's a bit good, because then I have a new offer, a new victim.
I'm pretty sure that my mentor said that. And I believe her, because Henrik
Yeah, it's Henrik,
chatted
that's
with
the
me.
game one, yeah.
Yeah.
But Stefan is the programming one. But I think we're going to have Stefan as well. Sorry, Henrik. Stefan already has second year programmers.
Ah. So you mean we're going to have Henrik because Stefan is having
I think
the
so,
second.
yeah. I think so.
Ah.
But Stefan is now, because he was my victim for long enough. He's talking with the University of Skövde, so it's good. Even the rector didn't manage to escape from being a victim of mine.
Director?
Yeah, the rector, the principal.
Ah.
The principal.
Yeah.
I talked to her like once about how I hate the fact that they stopped having Bråvalla here, like in our college, and how it's really bad for us, and we're very limited and stuff like that. And she was like, "You're so right." I agree with you. I'll see what I can do. And I was like, "No, what you're gonna do is like try to get us to be able to go to Bråvalla again and work there when we want to, or Kurtnikolin, you decide." So 1 week after, I'm coming from the spårvagn into the school, and she stops me and is like, "Oh, good thing you're here. So I'm going to sign a contract with Kurtnikolin, so you guys can start going there and working with their machines."
What? Really?
Yes.
What? But it's Corona, so.
Yeah, that's why we're not doing it. But it's possible now. People in Eva can go to Kurtnikolin to finish their stuff and use their machines.
Nice.
Or...
Fuck. Your motherfucker.
I know. Well, I don't, but I know I managed to get the teacher to do that. That's cool.
Yeah.
I could basically blackmail the entire school by like changing, instead of Osama, doing like everything to anime or something on their website.
Yeah. Oh. You fucking hacked the website.
Yeah, and because I hacked the website, I can literally now, if I want to, set up a phishing website on their website. So same link, same layout, but you get to log in there. And I can send that to people around, teachers around the school and stuff, and they can log in with their details. And instead of them logging in properly, the passwords and emails get sent to my server.
That's highly illegal.
That's highly illegal, that's highly funny.
But can you log into the Ebbe hemsida? Right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, no, the thing is they have injecting issues. Look. So because they have injecting issues, I can model my own stuff and do cross-site scripting. So if I do script alert and I run this, see that?
Wait, yeah?
Look.
Yeah.
So I'm on the website now, right?
Yeah.
I do script alert, for example. Test. You know what? Fuck this. Kuk I Valle sådär. Vet du vad? Kuk I Kalle sådär. Kuk I Kalle. Now here's the fun part. Because
can you access the servers and stuff?
they don't have very many servers. I tried, but they were stuck to the commune. So if I want to get in, I have to do phishing. Here's the fun parts. If I select this element, for example, I get its span and I get its sort of developer, right? So here's the logo, right? And it's like inside div, and this is inside a bunch of other shit. But this is the main one. So if I get this class over here, or the ID, which is right here, I can write to that ID, and I can add my own text or logo. So if I take this ID now, this ID, and I go into here and I start the script, and instead of writing an alert, I can do. Let me open up a online JS. So JS online. Watch this. So what I can do is I can say document. Is there any help in here? Var test is equal to document dot get element by ID. Dot inner HTML is plus equal to now if this is correctly written, it should run. I need to just check the stuff later on if it's not working. Yeah, I need to check some sort of. I have to have help with writing, you know.
Yeah.
Play code IO, does that work? Because I don't want to open up Visual Studio Code, that takes too long. Oh, it works.
You want to type more characters?
I don't know, do I?
No, pop up. Want to type more characters? What the fuck? You need to buy the subscription
I
to.
won't do that. Kill yourself.
No. Want to type more characters? What the fuck?
Hey, watch this now. Watch this. So look, if I write this script now, oh god, fucking no. There.
Wait, the stream is bound, so.
See that?
No, wait.
Oh wait, I
pasting it in right now.
share my screen.
Usama. Nice.
That's incorrect. That's why I go again. And... You see it now?
Wait.
Is this Osama?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now wait. Let me
But
share my
that
screen.
doesn't
What?
say right. You need to save it on the base, on the server.
No, if I send you the link, it will say Osama.
Ah. Because it runs the code.
Translate code.
In
So I
the
send you
browser.
this. Open it. And show me your screen.
Yeah.
There we go, Osama, right?
Yeah.
So now, if instead of editing this, I edit this part down here, and I get rid of circle result and all of this, and I add the login setup, where you get to write your name, and you get to write your password, and you click login.
But why would anyone try to log in?
It's Ibersteinska. If I send you an email from their account, or any fake account, or I just put out an email telling you, go in and log in, and here's the email, here's the link. And you click the link, and you go in, and you sign in. But here's the funny part. Instead of your info getting through, and you going logging in somewhere, no. Whatever you write in those text fields gets sent to my server.
I see.
Now I have your email.
How
and your
many
password.
years Yale does that give you?
Well, I'm just doing it. I would just do it to show them that they're stupid, and they need to fix that, because anyone could do this. And just by doing this, I already have access to their emails now and stuff like that. And if I'm fast enough, I can start contacting more people in their contacts that are even more powerful than them. So if I get into the rectory, I can contact someone on the commune. If I do the same thing with the same link or something like that, or different link, similar to it, I get their info. Now I went from rectory to a municipality worker, employee, and if I go from that person to their manager, their boss, now now I have the info of whoever the municipality's boss is. And from them I can get the land, and from the land I can get the state, and from the state, I've already went to Stefan Löfven, come on.
But isn't this fixes this bug? Isn't that
Really
web
easy.
development 1 by 1?
Yes, 101, yes. You literally just need to make it so anything that's that goes into here doesn't get sent straight to the SQL or the page. Because this is actually jQuery. When I was analyzing the site, it's jQuery, it's not even SQL. So everything gets injected straight into here. You just need to make it so instead of injecting, you just have one small pass where it checks if it's a script or not, or where it just changes it to a you add some signs, so it's not a script anymore. It doesn't run. It's just text. It's just a string.
Oh yeah. Right.
Why are you looking up pi?
Wait. I remember I saw a video about this on, I don't know what the channel was.
Oh, that guy with the short hair and stuff. Shit, every guy
The guy with short hair.
every guy has short hair. SQL injecting is the way you should.
You mean Tom Scott?
I don't know. SQL
Computer file,
injecting.
wait.
Computer file.
Yeah. That guy.
That guy, yes.
Yeah.
There he is. That's the video.
Hi, SQL injection.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
And he explains to you then why it's an issue, but honestly, our school had it, and I was laughing my ass off, because basically you can take over Sweden with this.
Wow.
If you're fast enough, yes.
No, but why would Stefan Löfven try to log into Eber?
Not ever. Well, once you got into someone better and better, you already have access to more stuff. You can change websites.
Oh, okay.
You're going up in the hierarchy. The municipality employee would have access to the commune's website. I can get the manager and the boss, and if I get the boss, they have the land. So if I get the land, I have the state.
Oh.
I can just keep doing phishing stuff, and injecting shit, and just work my way up. It's definitely possible.
But what would you do with Stefan Löfven's mail and password?
Nothing, just sign him up to some anime subscriptions. So his email is message from the US president, message from, I don't know, Moderaterna, Sverigedemokrater want to kill you, like he gets like threats from Jimmy Åkesson, and then under it's like 3 newspapers for anime. Hej Stefan! Din anime prenumerering är här nu. You would not believe what Oni-chan is doing. Oni-chan.
Do you think Stefan Löfven has a Pornhub account?
I think if he doesn't, we've already made a couple for him. If we go and look it up now, I promise you it will be there. Like 5 ones, one is like Dr. Stefan Löfven, Brother
Swedish
Stefan
hero.
Löfven. Stefan Löfven official. Om du är Susse vill jag jucka, liksom alla såna här skulle finnas just det. Is the fire rate too low? Is that what's happening?
What?
Is the fire rate too low? Is that what the issue is?
Fire rate?
Fire rate.
Uh-huh. I don't know.
I don't know either.
Don't ask me, man.
I can't ask myself. We can ask Erik. He's always right.
Oh no. He ain't. But he got the AVP fade.
Lucky bastard.
Yeah. 0.26% chance.
Oh yeah, dude, that's like the chances of him being born without being racist. I'm not even shooting and it's shooting. Why? Just why? Why? Input get mouse button 0 returns where the given mouse button is held down, but it's not held down. Like I clicked it once for half a second. It's the invoke repeating, but I don't know what to do. Why do I have a thick Swedish accent if I know how to speak English without having a thick accent? Like, it's only when I'm talking to you when this happens.
Yeah, my accent goes over along to you. Goes over to you.
It feels better talking like this, for some reason.
I know.
It feels more fun and, like, easier to talk like this than talking...
I know. I think I can talk with... If I really try, I can talk with a...
Well, English is my home language, so I definitely can. It's just I like this more.
Yeah, I'm much more better to understand and write than to talk, because I never talk English.
The thing is, like, my main language is English. You know, it's like I know English better than like any other language I know. It's like I was born and raised speaking English all the time. Like, sure, I speak Lebanese and stuff, but like that's like not even good at it. Like, I can try to write, and I won't write because I don't know how. I barely know. I tried writing something a couple days ago, and my friends, like the Bubba ones, were really mad at me. They were like, really mad at me because I misspelled it. But I was like, you know what? It's funny both ways. I don't really care. Yeah.
But I think it's so much easier to understand. I understand English to 97%. No, the really hard words can't I understand, but most English I can understand.
I think you understand the hard words.
Yeah, for the most part. But some Swedish words I can't.
Like if you got into MIT and you went to study there, you wouldn't understand English? I think you would.
Yeah, I would.
You wouldn't have an issue with English.
No, I don't have an issue understanding.
Yeah, no, but I get
But talking, I mean, my speaking would become better because I would train more.
Yeah.
But right now I don't speak a lot of English because, yeah, I don't do it.
Yeah, most of my friends don't speak anything but English, so
I know.
you know, I don't have too many real life friends. You're like, it's like Alfred, and who's your friend? Alfred. Ja, de andra har jag lämnat. Jag vet fan i dem. De är så himla tröga, jag fattar inte hur det kunde vara som dem.
Vilka?
De som håller på med skit.
Alltså,
Det var någon fan dumt skit. Jag orkar inte. Helt trögt.
ja.
Ah. I'm not holding 0.
Programming 101.
I'm not holding it. Why did you keep on shooting? Jesus. Maybe a late update. That doesn't work. I must cancel the invokes on the script. Why is my light on? I never have my light on. Where the heck? Back.
Hello, back.
No, I'm not like you. I can't just be like Google, shut the light, you know. But I will. I planned a giant system with voice recognition. I already did it, but I have to make the box to like have it run all the time.
Oh yeah, I remember.
No. Cyborg.
Yeah. But did you make AI or just simple commands?
I just use simple commands for now.
Yeah.
I didn't need it for AI.
No.
I think AI is for stupid people that don't want to memorize command. In this case, like if I want to make a bot like that, I'm not doing it because I'm lazy. I'm doing it because, hey, I want to do something cool. Like if I have because I'm thinking of maybe one day try like an Iron Man suit, like a real working Iron Man suit.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna be like Iron Man. Please, like, can you please like check this? Like what if what's this? What like if I'm standing here and they're standing there? What's the meters between them? You know? And
Yeah.
I would be like cyborg distance between object in ray, and then they would know exactly what to do.
Yeah. Jarvis.
Exactly.
Do you think we will come to that point that AI is so good. It's like a
We
human.
don't need AI, but we can do it like that. Yes, we are at that point.
No, not really.
We are at that point.
Not exactly on that point. I have a Google Home, and it's not. It's not like Jarvis.
Just because you can't
I mean-
fit it into a box doesn't mean it doesn't exist. We have AI that's pretty good.
Yeah. I don't say that. I just say I think Jarvis is. I think it's too similar to human. Because Jarvis understands sarcasm.
Oh, like
And,
that, yeah.
And that needs more work, I think.
I think
I'm
with
not
more
that
years of
into.
training.
Can you repeat?
I think with more years of training, for sure.
Yeah. But the Google Home is well good. It's very good actually.
Yeah, it even has replies that are like a bit human-like.
Yeah. I mean,
Google, hej Google. Säg ett skämt.
Varför blir snögubben ledsen när barnen går in? För att den känner sig utfryst.
IQ.
Det var tråkigt och vi liksom skrattade för du annars sa ditt liv och du bara Google! Fan Google! Hörru! Ska inte du säga ett skämt alltså?
Har inte liv alltså.
Det skulle jag göra enkelt alltså. Easy. Any time of the year. If I have 30 bullets and one bullet is being shot by 0.5 seconds, how are you taking less than 15 seconds to shoot the bullets? Faktiskt är det rätt jobbigt faktiskt.
Ja, I agree.
Ja, jag håller med faktiskt alltså.
100%.
100% faktiskt. Jag håller med. Ja, alltså jag säger faktiskt liksom. Jag håller med, inte faktiskt.
Faktiskt.
Oh, you anal asshole. Kill yourself. What?
What? Why are you saying that?
I'm talking to you. You're great.
I'm like rape? The fuck?
You're cool. I said you're great. I didn't say you're great like rape. Why would rape be great? It's not. I don't want to talk about this anymore. I'm scared. What shit you on about, huh?
I'm on some bad shrooms, you know.
And you do not share?
I can share if you want. But do you want to do like DMT?
No.
You don't want to try it?
I've thought about it and before I did want to try it.
What? Did you try it?
No, I did want to.
Yeah?
But no.
Not anymore?
Nope, it's stupid.
Nah. I want to try it. But not like now. Like when I'm adult.
Yeah, we can try it, I guess. I don't know, maybe once I graduated, like, or something. From university.
Because do you listen to your Rogan podcast? We listen to it.
Yeah. Wait, tomorrow's Friday, right?
Yeah.
And the weather is fairly cloudy now, right?
It's cloudy, yeah.
Do you wanna meet up on Saturday?
Maybe.
And if you don't want to like take bus back home or something, you can maybe sleep over the next day. My dad can give you a ride home.
I can take my Ape tractor.
To Norrköping?
Yeah.
How long does that take?
1 hour.
Fuck yes, man.
It's legal now.
Hmm.
It's fully legal.
Fixed it?
Yeah, it's besiktigad. So I don't have to be worried about the police.
Well, they're still going to stop you for no reason, but at least you won't get in trouble.
Yeah. Or so, do you know what's so fucking weird? Because at besiktningen, they should plombera, so you can't change anything. But he didn't plombera.
Mm-hmm.
So I can just open the fucking box and change the values so I can drive faster. But I don't think I can plombera det själv. But I think I might do that. Because if the police just open the hood and see that it is not plomberat, I think they're going to give me regbes.
Hmm.
So I'm going to order plomberingssnöre.
Yeah. That's the annoying part. They leave everyone that's like trimmar ihjäl and they don't do anything to them, but like you're there with your tractor following the rules and you get stopped anyways.
Yeah. I mean, we had one guy here that got stopped like 3 times at least, and he never drove legally. And he has driver's license now for a car. And I think he was in court. It's fucking weird though.
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe I can do this. Because if you do come down, we can probably start taking pictures or working on some 3D.
Yeah.
Because as much time as I can spend is good enough time. I can spend time on both programming and 3D though. But you would have to take with you a computer and
Yeah.
So
We can drive to the woods if you want to take some pictures of the trees.
I could make a joke right now, but I won't. Yeah, but here's the thing. Should we start with foliage first? You know what foliage is?
Is it like pictures so you get inspired?
No, reference is pictures to get inspired.
Yeah, okay.
Foliage is vegetation, so anything like grass, clovers, flowers, trees, all of that is called foliage.
Yeah.
Either that or we start photo scanning buildings.
And that's for the 3D models later. So
Here's the thing, if we go to the forest, then we're gonna have to take bags with us, and we're going to have to start analyzing the objects right in place. So in the bags we would take, well, at least my pipeline includes scanning as well, like actually scanning with printer. So when you're making foliage, I did last time I did it for Vexel, when we really needed it to be realistic, is I took with me a bag to a small forest, and I just picked every blade that I liked the way it looked. You know, like
and then scan it into the computer.
And then I scanned it with the computer, so I got a 2D image. And then out of that 2D image, I 3D modeled, and I used that image as a image on the plane. And then I would like start doing close. I can show you. It looked really good. I can show you the results. They're very realistic. But you use a scanner, and from the scanner you can you can make them into 3D models. And the thing is, it's not the computer doing it. You're doing all the job with this. So with grass and flowers and stuff, I usually just scan them with like a printer scanner, and from that I edit them in Photoshop, and then I set up a UV map, and then I start modeling, and I use the UV map I made from the scanning as a image onto the plane, and then I start placing the blades in different positions to get like a grass cluster that's like a bunch of grass right next to each other. And that's why I use that in the game, and that looks, it's giving me really good results. Now, when I want to do trees, I go out and I literally take like 120 and plus pictures of the trunk of the tree, and then I take with me some of the leaves of the tree. And if I find a branch, I take a lot of picture of it just to like see how it looks like, you know, to get reference. That's for the inspiration.
Yeah.
And what I do is the pictures of the trunk, the bottom of the tree, I use the software to make them to 3D. And in that software I get a detailed 3D model of the tree trunk. And then I can retopologize that so it's more optimized. So I literally just like it's like painting over or something, you know. So what I'm literally just modeling over the same trunk to get the same detail.
Yeah.
And now I have like the trunk, and then what I can do is I can take the texture from the trunk, so I have the realistic texture as well, the color. And then I can start working on the branches, and yeah, so on and so forth. You got a tree that's realistic.
Nice.
Here's how grass that I didn't scan myself looked like. I had a very low resolution image, and I used that instead.
I can't see your stream. It's just loading in Discord.
It is?
Yeah.
Let me close Blender. There, you see my stream now?
No. Try to
just
stop
watching and then rewatch. Right click and then stop watching.
Yeah.
Works now?
Wait. Fuck. Where is your stream Discord? I can see that you're streaming.
I stopped right now, and there you go.
Oh, so now I can see. Nice. Is that your?
Yeah, it's my scene.
Oofa.
And then with the ones I got from the forest, not from Thingy, these are way too clustered, so you get this.
Nice.
And
It looks very good.
I have more images, wait. Should be somewhere. These are memes I've made. Sponsored by Kool-Aid. More memes, more memes. Yes. Something test. I think this is a texture I made out of a photo scan.
Oh.
Spamming software, and I think right here I'm going way too far. Let me check the other chat and I'll tell you. Because I remember sending it to someone. There we go, found them. Look at my screen.
Nice.
And the flowers were just tested, so they weren't finished, but the grass was finished.
Looks very good.
Thanks, man, I got more. The only thing it was missing was subsurface scattering, would have looked even better.
What's that? Is that what with the light?
Yes.
Oh my god, yeah. I can see.
So it kinda has it, but it doesn't have it. It doesn't have any subsurface scattering. I'm kind of faking the subsurface scattering here.
Yeah. But how are we going to do with we can render in the map in game later, because if what is it called in Unity? The
terrain generator?
Okay. Culling. Inclusion culling.
Yeah.
Are we going to use the built-in?
Or we'll make our own. It's not that hard.
Okay.
It's like 3 lines. Yeah, but it took a lot of work to get here, like, to this grass.
Yeah.
But it's worth it. It's worth it to get a good result, in my opinion. Yeah, like you see
But
this?
It looks very good.
Thanks, man.
But is this the approach we're going for?
For the grass, yes. And for the flowers and clovers and stuff.
Nice.
And it looks really cool in the shadow as well.
Oh yeah, yeah. Really realistic.
Thanks, man. This is my Cybertruck
Cyber-
joke. I was bored and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna dare myself to make it as fast as I can. So it's like popped up and it was like boom, 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 done. Cybertruck.
Lost.
And this was a grass texture I created with programming.
Oh.
It's all programming. Shader programming.
It Last of Us.
What?
Is this the approach if for Norrköping?
I don't know if Last of Us did the same. Oh, you mean how it looks like?
Yeah.
Look up Last of Us 2, that's the approach. City, you can look up the city now.
Oh.
Look up a better image, maybe.
Do you think we're going to? Oh. Oh, is Last of Us, is that cities? Or the
Real
real?
city, yeah. Seattle.
Oh. You're very inspired.
By them?
Yeah,
Well,
maybe.
no. I got that after, but when we first made the idea, it was only because we thought the idea was fun, right?
Yeah.
And then after a while, I started getting inspired by Last of Us, and I was like, you know, what if I can't, like, I like the way they're doing the water, like in Last of Us 2, the buildings they have waterfalls between them sometimes.
Oh.
That's how like apocalyptic it is, and it's really immersive. Like you feel like you're part of the environment and stuff, and you get attached to your character and stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm taking.
I don't have a clue what the game is about. So.
The game is great, dude.
Never but it's only on PS4.
PS4
or
PS4.
That's so sad.
Yeah, I never played it, but I watched so much gameplay. I just love it, man. I'm a tech and environment artist, so like, I get attracted to stuff like that. They've done so much to make it that good. You see?
It looks fantastic.
And look at the grass. You can hide in the grass and people don't see you. Well, they. And here's the funny part. It's not that they don't see you at all. It's just that like the further away they are, the harder it is for them to see you, and the closer they are, it takes a bit of time until they like notice you. But like you're still visible. That's how realistic it is.
Oh. Hey, how do you do cutscenes?
You would make the cutscene first, and then you would have a trigger. Like for example, if you enter this collision box, you run this scene.
But do you animate?
Yeah, you animate.
Oh, okay.
And if you hear them when someone gets killed, they scream their name.
Oh.
See the environment?
Yeah.
It's not even fully realistic. They kind of have their own approach to it, but it looks great anyways.
Yeah. But similar to this is the idea.
A bit, but like not as... They're more story-based. We want to be open world, so we're gonna have it a bit more chaotic and like usable. Theirs is only like you have the story for the story.
No.
You know,
so you can go where they want you to go.
They trick you into going where they want you to go. Yes.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Do you want to see... Wait, look at my screen. Oh.
Okay.
Did Visual Studio just fucking crash? Yes.
That's always happens. For me at least.
Recover selected file.
If I Control C to copy something, it just lags and stops working and starts wanting to crash, and then like after 2 minutes it's back.
Okay, so I remade the climbing script, or I rewrote it. So this is the first one.
All right.
I can say all this is bullshit. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. So this does the same. It's important to rewrite. Alltså, det här är första gången jag typ skriver om mina.
And which one is the rewritten one? This one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks much better.
Yes.
Yeah, see, this is why I rewrote my brush, for example.
Kolla, här har man variabel. 3 variabler här. Här också.
No, but also, first time you do it, it's to get the idea, and then the second time you redo it, it's to make it clean and optimized.
Yeah.
can probably remake the McDonald's exactly how it looks like in our city.
Weird flex, but okay.
I can probably do all of it exactly. Oh, I can do exactly how it is, but like McDonald's would be easier.
Do you think we will get copyright? Or
Well, we won't
See
name
you.
it McDonald's. Are you thinking of naming it McDonald's? Because then it will get copyrighted.
yeah.
No, we won't name it McDonald's. That's not easy. We'll call it like Miss Donald's or something.
Miss. It's the same letters, bro.
No, instead of Mick, it's MRS.
Yeah, but MC. Oh, okay. MD. Alright. MC. Nick Donalds.
Nick Donalds.
Yeah, Nick Donalds.
Nicholas Donalds. Dunkin'
Big
Donuts.
Nick.
Ja, Big Nick.
Big Nick.
Big Nick.
Big Mac, Big Nick.
Alright. Great, amazing ideas.
Big Nick.
McDonald's
Clearly needs
is equal to Big Nick. There we go. Let's go pissa.
Get.
Vi tänker på mig grejer.
Oh. Home.
morsan.
Hallå?
Jag gick och hämtade lite mjölnasang. Fan vad gott det är, satan alltså. Morsan gör det på så himla bra sätt alltså.
Vad sa du?
I morse är det på så himla bra sätt. Jag har aldrig gillat det innan men liksom.
Nej, jag med, what the fuck?
Vad sa du?
Jag gillar inte heller lasagne innan, men jag har börjat gilla det nu.
Ja. Så det var ju skitjobbigt att käka innan liksom. Man blir ju skitont överallt alltså. Skitont överallt. Men sen morsan började göra det. Fan vad fan gott det här är. Liksom. Gud. Ja. Då kan jag ha fel med dem.
Oh, wait.
Alright, I got it to work. Fire rate is working now. Alfred?
What?
Fire rate is working now.
High rate?
Fire rate.
Ah, oh, nice.
One issue.
What?
The ammo is not changing. It was working a second ago, but now it was like, nope. I'm sorry, man.
You gay, bro.
I can't, yeah, exactly. I can't allow you to succeed.
Okay.
Hey, do you want to be the owner of the stream tomorrow?
The owner?
Yeah.
When I stream?
Yeah. Do you want to stream on the same channel tomorrow? So it's you streaming this time?
I mean that I stream.
Yeah.
My
but,
computer.
Yeah, your computer. If you want to.
Sure.
I
Sure.
changed nothing. Yeah. I changed nothing and it stopped working. God fucking damn it. Yeah, but yeah, sure, man. I want you to. Tomorrow, I will set up your OBS and you can stream.
Nice. Sure. Do you know a good way to get the velocity of the player? I mean, like a float.
Same way you assign a velocity.
How do you mean? Because right now I use this equation, but it's
Let me read the equation. 1 second. There, now I read it.
Wait. The problem is it's calculating the velocity of the y-axis
Why
also.
are you doing it like that?
Because I saw it online.
But you're already getting the axis. You can just
What do you mean?
multiply, like for example, if you're moving forward, you can multiply x.
Yeah. What?
Well, you have player walk speed multiplied by player multiplied by time of delta time.
Oh no.
What do you mean? What do you want to get?
I'm talking about this.
Say what's up with that?
What?
Hey, what's up with it?
Right now, so I was working on the hanging stuff.
Yes.
So you can't just jump. So
Yes.
you have to run.
Well, you have a rigid body. You can get the velocity of the rigid body.
Yeah, but it's a vector.
You can parse it into. But rigid body velocity is not a vector.
Isn't it?
I'm pretty sure it's not.
Wait. So. 97%. Yeah, it's vector free.
Stop. Velocity dot. There we go.
But is there a way that I can remove the y-axis from the equation? Because right now, if you watch, I can't jump. Okay, I could. If you here is the velocity. So if I am, I can't. It's 0. But if I run, I can. But if I fall and jump, or sometimes there, because the velocity counts with the y-axis axis also.
Why are you making it so hard? Why can't you just check for when the player is moving? When W is pressed or something like that? When X or X is equal to 0 and Z equal to 0, then you hang. When they're not and you jump, then
Because
you don't.
I want to know if the player is running or not. Or should I fuck that?
Actually, no, you're right. You're kind of right. You're very right now. Well, you shouldn't be able to.
I
jump
could just if the multiplier is 2.
Or you could, yeah. Or you could check for when X and Shift or whatever is clicked at the same time. Oh, wait, you have a function for the multiplier?
Yeah.
Show me.
What?
Show me the function.
Or it's not a function. It's a variable.
Ah.
So I can just say if it's 2, then the player is running.
Yeah. Yeah.
So.
Oh, that would be much easier. Yeah.
No, 3. Yo, no, 2. Pretty sure. Run, yeah. Okay. That should work. That didn't work. Wait.
Check for when it's not equal to 0.
Was it because... What the fuck? No, it doesn't work. Oh, wait. Ah, it didn't.
Oh, why are you checking the multiplier? The multiplier is always equal to 2.
No.
No? You said it's a variable.
Because... It didn't change to 1 when I... Oh, yeah, it's a bug in the moment script.
You found a new bug.
Yeah.
Good job.
So if you jump here, if you jump, if I remove this, it will work, but the player will slow down me there.
Yeah.
So I can fix that. So if I run and jump and let go, it will. Oh. You see?
Yes.
But I think. And then I will make a hanging script later. And I will call it here.
No, this should work.
Yeah, but
I'm talking about my script as well.
Oh.
This should work, I know it's bugging. Okay, be right back.
Yeah. Oh.
Så jag kommer bli så himla tjock alltså. Gud! Jag har käkat så mycket lasagne idag.
It works pretty good now.
Good job, man. Looking great. Very happy.
Hot tamales. And sliding. Oh. Oh yeah, shit. Just det. Do I have? Yeah. How far do you want the player to be able to run? Oh, in the wall. Lower than that.
Yeah, like 1.5. So 1 floor and a half. So like 4 meters.
Say,
4 meters.
try 4 meters. Yeah, how tall is the player? 1 meter tall.
Why would the player be 1 meter tall?
Is it that?
Why do you have it at 1 meter tall? That's my question.
I don't know. Because it looks weird like this.
Live with that.
Can I take 1.8? Wait. I want to make it fatter. Oh shit. Fat boy. I promise you that. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, so. But how tall did you make the walls?
They're 3 meters, so the player needs to be 1.85.
Is this 3 meter?
Yes.
But the player is 1.8 now.
You're full of shit, that's incorrect.
Is it right here in the transform?
Yeah, that's right.
What the heck? Something is terribly wrong here.
Yes, you changed the capsule, not the... Wait, is the capsule the object?
Yeah.
Okay. Click multiply. Oh, it shouldn't. Click 0.
Where?
Like, right 0 on Y.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, wait, I have it in the program here.
No, you changed the wrong object, but yes.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't. Alright, now make it 1.8 in the program here.
One cube is, if I... Whoa. Huh. wait. Oh, I think I know. Can it be that the capsule is twice the size?
That's what I was talking about. The capsule should be the issue.
So like that.
I don't know what you're doing. You do what you do.
I do your
Without me?
Without you.
Damn! Nej, out.
Det här känns ganska rätt.
That hoe into children. I am not interested.
Guess the player is... Okej, så kapseln är alltså dubbelt så stor. För det kanske utgår ifrån mitten, så att...
Ja, men då får du ha det som punkt 9, så borde det vara korrekt.
Va?
Har du
Ja, jag tog allt bara gången, dela på 2.
Ja, men det ser fel ut, eller?
Nej.
Ha en kub bredvid den som är 1,8. Så du ser.
Men jag gjorde det.
Den där är inte 1,8.
Nej.
Nej. Jaha, det är rätt korrekt. Ja, det är rätt, Det är bara som sagt, jag är inte van att se världen så kort. Det är inte du heller, antar jag.
Jag är inte jättelång.
Vad sa du?
Jag är inte så lång.
Alltså, du är typ lika lång som mig, eller?
Nej.
Fan, jag har aldrig märkt. Jag har aldrig tänkt på det.
Jag är så charmig ändå, så att...
Ja, exakt. What you lack in height, you fix for med andra längder.
önskar vara så.
Ja, nej, jag pratar om din patience.
Men det här var... Ja, okej, det var lite högt.
Ja, det är bra höjd.
Det är lite högt. Lite högt.
Be too much there. Your mom.
Yeah, she's kind of cool. Wait. Climbing.
That guy just killed himself right there.
Så den här jävla... I think this is good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Are you running fast enough?
No. So.
It wasn't a bug, it was doing what it's supposed to. You know what would have been an issue? If it actually worked.
Yeah. So, one. Oh shit. Oh tjena mitt bena, what the fuck? Varför var den där 3? Hur gör man så att det inte blir så här då?
Det kan vi fixa sen, det är inte så svårt. Det var camera collision. Men har du gjort så att man kan hänga sig? Alltså häng,
Nej.
inte hänga sig, men alltså häng.
Så jag har det spelet.
Jag ska hänga sig.
Ja,
Skulle
det
vara
hade
roligt.
varit kul.
Ja, men det får vara en easter egg, för annars blir vi... Ja, får vi skit.
Är det så?
Ja. You're allowing people to hang themselves. Not good. Not good.
It's pretty good.
It's very good, but like not for court and super.
I mean, you can always go out to the zombies if you want to die.
Ja, den här är så himla throwback. Jag ska skicka till det.
Vad jag hatar det här lilla. Jag gillar Olsson, motorväg.
Vem sa det?
Min pappa.
Gillar
Jag
han
gillar
Olsson?
Olsson. Det lät som att jag sa det. Jag
Gillar
gillar
Olsson.
Olsson.
Farsan bekräftar att han har bög till morsan. Förlåt, men Olsson. Jag gillar Olsson. Ja, bra.
Så kul. Ska jag pusha det här till dig? Om du vill testa.
Ja, kör på.
Climbing. New climbing. Visst, jag är på ny branch. Kan typ branch. Merge into current branch. Så. Jag lovar att jag inte säger vad den här. Ja. Ja. New. Hanging. Not dead.
Fan, vi har inte bestämt. Skulle vi fixa foliage först eller ska vi först fixa byggnader?
Du bestämmer.
Det är
You're the artist.
Det är sak samma för mig. Vad vill du se först? Foliage eller byggnader?
Byggnader, eller jag vet inte. Jag vet faktiskt inte. För mig spelar ingen. Ska vi köra Wheel of Destiny?
Ja, kör. Jag har en känsla att det kommer bli foliage. Ska vi köra Wheel of Destiny för att bestämma?
Ja. 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 Okej.
Jag såg mitt namn där.
Gjorde du?
Det såg Ali.
What the fuck? Sen det blir du då.
Ali, Bjerti, Charles, Dia, Erik,
Erik?
Fatima.
Och så blir det Fatima. Fatima. Ta bort.
Varför är det två namn du känner? Och sen en äcklig namn.
Foliage stavar det så. Skitsamma.
AG.
Falig.
Nej, det var rätt. Men det var rätt. F-O-L-I-L-I-A-G och ett L va? Japp.
Och byggnader.
blir foliage lovar.
Foliage.
Ja, då blir det foliage.
Och då var det där med gräset eller?
Japp, gräs, träd, såna grejer.
Jag satsar 2000 spänn på att det blir byggnader.
Vilket tar vi? Fatima foliage.
Woo!
Wow. Men...
Och det med gräset sa vi.
Så det med gräset. Men vad ska vi göra ifrån? Är det Östra Husby eller ska vi göra det i Norrköping? Jag har aldrig varit i Östra Husby så jag vet inte. Har ni bra grejer där?
Jag menar, jag har skog här hemma.
Jag har skog här hemma.
Va?
Du har skog här hemma, sa du.
Ja, jag äger skog, mannen. Jag har min egen skog.
Ja, det är nice, men det är inte
Jag måste
det
flexa
som,
lite, jag måste flexa lite.
Det är inte det som är roligt.
Nej.
Det som är roligt är att liksom, om du rakat på några månader.
Jaha.
Jag har skog här hemma.
Det är dock sant, men nej. Damn girl.
Jag är rätt så clean.
Are you with that?
Jo.
Ja, thank you.
Ja, jag är beredd för dig, ja. Exakt. Ja. Det jobbigaste är när man myser och den börjar vilja vakna. Det är det jobbigaste, jag lovar dig. Vet inte om du vet vad jag pratar om, men alltså det är det jobbigaste. Det hände mig för en vecka och en dag sedan. Ja. Jag var liksom, vad fan? Nej, sluta. Nej, fel person. This guy's broke his neck. Shit. Stupid ass. Dead ass. Gay ass. Should die ass. Mother flipper. Cut the cat. Cut the cat in half. Let the Chinese person eat it. I didn't say that on stream. You didn't hear that. No, there's no one watching anyways. It's fine. In this early stage we can make as many jokes as we want. I'm not racist, my best friend is Chinese. Tog en tjej hemma en gång. Och stod och käkade med päron och sånt. Alltså, ja. Det var inte så länge sedan. Alltså. Det var kanske förra året då. Och typ september, kanske november och sånt. I alla fall, september typ. Och så satt de och pratade och så sa morsan någonting om så jag har inget problem med liksom att folk är svarta och sånt, men liksom, och jag bara nej, jag var liksom bara så nej, alltså lugnt. Och så nej, alltså det är lugnt alltså, men kolla. Det finns ju skillnad liksom. Självklart det finns skillnad liksom. Jag kollar på dig, du är vit, jag kollar på någon abdi på gatan. Han är svart liksom. Namn! Ja, var inte. Jag tror de hörde mig. Ja, och så jag blev liksom helt lack och syrran bara liksom, vad fan pratar du om? Och tjejen bara, så det är ju sant dock.
Inte vad sa du?
Och tjejen bara, ja det är ju sant dock, hon säger ju inget fel. Jag garvar jävla alltså. Sen efter i mitt rum när jag håller på annat. Men liksom, jag var garvar i början självklart. Alltså jag var ju sur i början. Sen efter en stund bara garvar igen. Men liksom, vad fan pratar du om, Sherry? Chat är rätt så dead. Allt är rätt så dead. Det är så himla tråkigt i början, men sen när man väl får folk så blir det roligt. I know from experience. Yes, I used to be owner of a proud shitty channel.
Vad City Channel?
Shitty channel.
Jaha. Living in the hood.
Peace off. Det är Gustav.
Jag vet, jag har han på Discord. What the fuck is bot Ludde? Are you catfished or something? What the fuck?
Nej, det är min kompis sen typ 6an, 5.
Går han i 6an?
Nej, det är min kompis sen. Vi gick i samma skola sen 6an typ.
No. Nu går i 6an. Oh, shit, man.
det är min pojkvän, han går i 6an.
Mannen!
Jaha, så det är liksom vadå, en 4 års skillnad? Nej, alltså han kommer börja i 6an. Han är inte Ludde, han spelar ju som en bort och han är jättefin och jag älskar honom. Och hur gammal är han då? 7 år gammal.
Mannen, that's not okay.
Mannen, så är det okej.
No, it isn't, mannen.
It's not okay. It's completely okay until he says no. Until he says yes. Then it's not okay.
Alltså, jag kan inte säga... nej.
Det är helt okej tills personen säger ja, för då är det inte roligt längre.
Det är fan sant dock.
Va? Not expect that one. Helt rätt, Ali. Man ska våldta mer. Det är roligt.
Ja, varför inte liksom?
Det är fucking dumt.
Det går inte.
There's Last of Us 2 gameplay on PS5. I wanna watch that. I'm gonna watch that so hard right now. Oh jeez, the lighting. Herregud, the lighting. Kolla på, the grass.
Jag ser inte, jag ser bara Discord. Ja.
Jag ska flytta på det. Look at that grass. Look at the lighting. Hör du? Sånt ska vi ha liksom, gå emellan grejer.
Fan. Just the hiding också.
Det kan vi fixa. We need the AI first to hide, otherwise what, you're hiding from yourself.
Eller ska vi ha det verkligen?
Hiding?
Ja, alltså såhär som i GTA.
Bakom bilar och sånt.
Ja.
Jo.
Tycker du?
Ja, det tycker jag.
Är inte det weird i first person?
Nej, det finns också vilket jag är first person. Eller?
Just det.
Finns det first person? Ibland finns det, ibland funkar inte.
Jo, det finns. Men jag vet inte om det blir bra. Vi kan lägga till det och säga.
Ja, funkar inte så bara berättar vi.
Men så där med vapnen tycker jag. Det var coolt. Fan, kameran, det är som en film alltså.
Det blir nice med lite third person sånt här. First person är skitnice. Men alltså third person får inte nice att spela i mitten.
Har du sett Hightail eller?
Vadå?
Hightail.
Vadå Hightail?
Sök på Hightail.
Hightail?
Nej, Hightail.
Hightail? Someone has a hightail.
Nej, H-I. H-Y. Hightail. Och så, ja, det är det där.
The fuck is that?
Minecraft rip-off basically. Men det, alltså det är typ Minecraft fast mer adventure.
Gör du som Minecraft story mode?
Jag vet inte vad det är, men I guess. Alltså det är typ som mer så här bovigt kanske. Jag vet inte. Det är Hypixel som gör det. De har vertical slaps, my man.
Vertical slaps?
Ja.
What the hell is that?
So we can place a slab. Alltså på väggen.
Aha, vertical slaps. Du sa slaps, det liksom, hur fan kan man släppa vertical? Jo, det går, men det är inget bra sammanhang för barnspel.
Jag skulle vilja ha det faktiskt.
I vårt spel?
Va?
I vårt spel?
Nej, jag sa Hightail, jag skulle vilja spela.
Aha, jag tänkte vilja ha vertical slapping i vårt spel. Jag tänkte...
Jag är så jävla sugen på det här.
Hej, jag var ju van med hur länge sedan chilla. Kolla, satan! Kolla på det här trädet. Alltså, ser du, jag märker grejer som du tror inte var annan. Kolla på det här.
Ja.
Kolla bara på den nu, okej? Bara på den.
Ja.
Gud. Så liksom lighting på den.
Nej. Jag har inte lika hög res som du har.
Jaha.
Skicka videon i chatt.
Okej, sure. Kolla om det ser position jag skickar det på samma time.
Jag såg faktiskt inte om jag ska göra.
Ja, det är lite svårt att märka, men du märker lite shadow breaking så här.
Är det att det är mörkare längre ner på löven som...
Ja, typ, men det ser ju så himla fint ut. Fortsätt videon, det blir ännu bättre. När den går upp trapporna, kolla på växten rakt upp alltså. Medan den går upp trapporna. Jag vet inte om du märker sånt, men när den väl är uppe, kolla på gatan och så väger under henne. Närmast under henne. Så när hon gömmer sig därefter, kolla på gräset till höger om henne. Och sen till vänster om här när de väl är närmare personen. Eller zombien. Vad fan där?
Fy fan. Men de gjorde en egen engine eller?
Unreal Engine, tror jag.
Det är det Unreal?
Det får jag med ju. Last of Us 2 Engine. Nej, det var Naughty Dogs engine.
Naughty Dogs?
De har, ja, det är de som har gjort spelet.
Ja. Ju fan.
2 programmers, there must have been much more. Like a shit ton more. This is just a small thing. Alright, 4 hours of streaming almost, it's good enough. I'll call it a day today. I can just keep on working without a stream. Alright, eat shit and do it, because why not?